pumapasok pa kasi. Okay. I will first give an introduction of the chapter 3, which is the methodology. So this will be done this week. So some of these assignments, activities, natapos yun na ito siya. From April 8, 15, and then 16. This is the module 1 for the second course. So you need to choose your research design in qualitative. So that is the purpose of this lesson. Okay. And then you identify your local. So syempre sa main na yan siya. And then you have your sampling procedure and example. And then we will not anymore construct a research questionnaire kasi we don't have time. Next week exam na. And then itong plan data collection analysis, you will just I will just give a PowerPoint presentation kasi you will be having a video research proposal. So I will be talking about mamaya. So ito yung assignment ninyo, di ba? Maalala nyo ito? Di ba binigay ko yan sa inyo na assignment? Mapasok. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, I am just going to run through kung anong mangyayari from this week until the exam. Okay, so please tell your other members para ma-aware din sila. So this will, mayroong 6 dito na section ha. 11, ABM Yugore, Andy, Yums Reyes, STEM Spirito, and Yums Agan. Pero mga leaders lang yun nandito ngayon. Okay, so this is very important because the chapter 3, you are going to start from today until Friday. Yan, may mga late kasi magpasok. Ayan. So as I am saying, you have to do your research chapter 3. This is the research methodology. So in this chapter, you are going to choose your research design from, usually yung mga pinagawa ko lang sa inyo is phenomenology, di ba? So konti lang ata yung may case study. So yung local of the study is in main campus, respondents, participants of the study. So you will choose grade 11, APM ba yan, STEM, a sampling technique. So in the sampling technique, you will choose convenient sampling technique, okay, in qualitative research. And then research instrument, ilagay nyo lang na survey, questionnaire, data gathering procedures, and analysis procedures. This is thematic analysis. Okay, thematic analysis ang ilalagay nyo doon. So I will be giving you the template of the PowerPoint. Ito siya, oh. Ayan. So in this PowerPoint, you are going to video yourself. Deadline is on Tuesday next week before the exam. So anong ilalagay niyo diyan? Konti lang naman, mostly chapter 3. Okay, so just write your approved title, the research questions 1 to 3, yung na-approve, and then diretso na kayo agad sa chapter 3. Okay? I just need to know what is your research design, your plan. So this is in the future. So you will just say this research will use phenomenological study So the role of the researcher, what is your role? Your research participants, you will just say the research participants of in this study are grade 12 students, YUM students, whatever, STEM, ABM, data collection procedure, data sources, data analysis, ethical consideration, and trustworthiness of the study. So yun siya. So in the research design, it discusses either qualitative or quantitative. So dito tayo mag-focus sa qualitative since PR1 lang na ito. So meron pang pumapasok. Ayan. Okay, so we have grounded theory. Hindi nyo naman ito siya gagawin kasi medyo mahirap yan siya. We have grounded theory. Phenomenological study. Dito lang kayo mag-focus sa phenomenological study. Okay, ethnographic study. Nabasa nyo ba ito? Itong mga research design?
Yes po, sir.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, next. Nandiyan naman yung mga definition. Grounded theory, phenomenological study, explores lived experiences. So, dito lang kayo mag-focus sa lived experiences. So, you will put this in the PowerPoint. Phenomenological study explores the lived experiences of the participants. And then, local. It identifies, describes briefly the location where the study is conducted. For example, this study will be conducted in CCNH's main campus, Tabato City. Participants, next, participants. Siyempre, sino yung participants ninyo? Ano ba ang grade nila? Anong strand? Yun. So, sa sampling technique, we have two sources. So, probability and non-probability. So sa probability, ito yung sa PR2 pa ito pag mag-grade 12 na kayo. But we will in this module we will focus on non-random sampling method. So this includes convenience sampling. So mostly ito yung gagawin ninyo. Okay, kasi kung sino yung nandiyan na estudyante, yun na yung i-interviewin dapat. Meron din voluntary response sampling, kung sino gusto mag-volunteer. Meron din purposive sampling and snowball sampling. So, you will just put convenience sampling in all your source of data or sampling technique. Understood?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, good. So next, research instrument. So it describes your instrument to be used to study. So what tool will you use in gathering your data based on your statement of fact? So ito siya, you will just say that you are going to have an interview questionnaire as your instrument. So nandito lahat yung ilalagay nyo doon. Nandito sa module na ito. So interview questionnaire as your instrument. Okay? You'll be sending this kasi module 1 ito siya. Module 1 ito siya ng PR1 sa second grading. Next, data gathering procedure. It narrates the process undergone by the study that eventually leads to findings. So how will you gather your data? So how will you use your questionnaire? So you are going to say there, first, I will be going to ask permission from the school principal. We will make a letter, and then number 2, we are going to ask the advisor of the section, letter din sa advice, and then number 3 is I will ask for informed consent from the participants if they will want to undergo the research. Understood? Next, data analysis. It describes how will you analyze your data gathered. So, in qualitative research, thematic analysis. So, ito lang yung ilalagay nyo doon, ha? Please be specific kasi ito yung titingnan ko sa video ninyo. Wait, may pumapasok. Okay, so in data analysis, you are only using thematic analysis. It is the most commonly used process in analyzing data. So you are going to identify until themes emerge from the data. So kung ano yung pinaka-common in all, kasi di ba meron kayong 5 participants. So anong common doon, i-frame ninyo based doon sa research or statement of the problem ninyo. For example, your statement of the problem is, what are the reasons why STEM students are late? So for example lang, and then you're going to look for the common answers from the participants. Okay? So that's it. Hanggang data analysis lang. Okay? Itong ethical considerations, tanggalin mo na just worthy of the question. So, hanggang dito lang sa data analysis. Again, you will have your, this is a video research proposal. So, proposal pa lang yan siya kasi pag chapters 1, 2, and 3, proposal pa lang yan. Pag final na dapat, pag nakasulat dito final proposal na, mayroon ng chapter 4 and 5. So, hindi natin yan maabutan. We will just focus on the chapter 3. Okay, so I repeat, you need to write your approved title, your research questions, and then diretso na kayo sa chapter 3. So, research design, nandito lang yung research design. Okay, local of the study. Ito natin ito. Local of the study. So, paano lang tayo mag-focus dito sa module? Participants or respondents of the study. Ayan, this is participants. Sampling technique. So in the sampling technique, you will just use convenient sampling technique. Convenient sampling technique. And then data gathering. Dito sa data gathering procedure, ano yung gagawin niyo na sunod-sunod? The researchers will send a letter to the principal and so on and so on. So kayo ang gagawa niyan. Okay, understood? And then research instrument. So ang sabi niya sa research instrument is interview questionnaire. So research instrument. Research instrument. That is interview questionnaire. And then data gathering procedure. And then research instrument. And then data analysis. Itong data sources, wala na. Data analysis. So, yan lang. So, remember, you need to video yourself or someone who will present from your members. Okay, so, let's go back to your paper, yung chapter 1 and yung pinasa ninyo. So, you will just continue that. Kung may mali doon na hindi ko yun siya i-consider. So, kung may mali kayo na format, you need to reprint that. Okay? Pag long ang papel, I will minus your points. So, I hope na natapos yun na itong chapter 2, your RRL. And then you just focus on this chapter 3. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, your module for this week is on the itong PR1 Q2 M3 ito. So you need to print this, you tell your classmate, and then you submit it this on Friday. Okay. So print, then submit, answer in this area. And then on Tuesday, I need to receive your video. And then on Monday, I will need the um, chapter 1 to 3. Okay, so we have deadlines. Okay, Friday, April. What's date on Friday? April 26.
26.
Oh, you need to submit your module. Okay, and then on Monday, April 29, I need the chapters 1, 2, and 3. Then on Tuesday, April 30, I need to receive your video proposal. Send it to my email. Okay, so um,
Sir?
so ito yung email na i-submit niyo. Yes?
Sir, yung pag-print po sa module, individual po ba or group?
Yes, individual.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a question po.
Okay, wait lang. Finish ko muna ito ha.
Sige
So,
po, take your time.
okay. And then, May 1 is holiday. And then May 2 and 3 is the final exam. Okay. So May 3, I need to have your portfolio. So lahat ng portfolio i-submit sa May 3. Remember, all your outputs should be there. Okay? Did you follow that? Okay. So on May 4, 5. On May 6, wala na kayo sa school because it's Barmaa. Okay, May 6 to May 7 ata yan to 15. That is Barmaa already. So we don't have that enough time na para mag-meet. So all your output should be submitted on May 3. That is Friday during the final exam. Okay, question.
Sir, di ba sir, we already passed yung chapter 1 and chapter 2 na
Mm.
natapos namin. What if po sir na may na-realize kami na mali? So, pwede po
Pwede
bang
niyang
i-edit
ulitin.
yun? Sige po,
Yes,
thank you. Yun
yes,
lang po.
definitely. Okay, other question? Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Sir, wait.
Yung, yung yes.
Dun sa pag-video po about sa chapter po, ang i-video lang po ba yung chapter 3 lang?
Yes, your chapter 3. Pero you start with your approved title and then research question. And then,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
diretso agad dyan sa chapter 3.
Sir, thank you po.
Okay. Other question? No more?
No more, sir.
Okay. So, um, that's it. You just tell your classmates, your members to uh, participate. Okay. And then I have sent your grades to your subject teacher. Okay. So if you have question, you just go to my office on Friday. I will be at school on Friday morning lang, morning. So if you have submitted late, you you submit the module on Friday, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for the whole week na yun siya. So paano pang concern ninyo? Some of your
Sir,
class,
sir, yung sa chapter 3 po, hindi pa ipapasa Friday?
hindi pa, by Monday pa.
Okay, sir.
Then, yung sa Tuesday, kahit kwan lang yun siya, yung ito, online lang man, kasi you will just send. Okay, may mga kaklase kayong walang mga output. So, it means wala silang grade. So, you tell them na yung mga walang nag-submit na output, walang mga quizzes. Oh, okay, so they will not expect na may grade sila. Don't expect. Okay? So that's all for today. Kindly open your camera for your picture for our documentation. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.